can't my kids turn off the bloody light switches? I've been filming this over the last 5 days, and I just wondered when children, teenagers, will realise that when the sun's shining, you don't need to turn the lights on. If you do turn them on, turn them back off again when you're out the room. We don't need them. It's daylight. Another light switch left on. Another light left on. Bathroom. Daytime. Do you need your light on, Els? It's daylight. It's daylight again. Another light left on. Daylight. Daylight. Lights off. It's daylight. Oh, can't get it. Lights off. Daylight. It's daylight. It's daylight. Turn the lights off. Daylight. It's daylight. It's daylight. No one here. Turn the light off. It's daylight. Daylight, daylight, daylight. Okay. It's dark, it's getting dark, but the light's on. No one's here though, so turn it off. So to all you little cherubs out there, yeah? Turning off your light switches, as you see from that last few clips, is exhausting work for your parents, for your dad. So just be little darlings and just flick that switch off. And when that sun's shining, don't even put it on. So parenting's not all about tidying, cleaning. It's not all about washing, ironing. So it's not just about picking the kids up from football. There's more to it, light switches.